Hello Honda minivan fans in cartoon form. So definitely not many of us, but I'm one of them. This is Choro-Q number 31. It's a Honda Odyssey, and this is made from 2001. So I did a search for 2001 Odyssey, but there's a US version and there's a JDM version, so I don't know which one they modeled here. Not until I open this will we find out. So there we go. Let's take that tape off. Little member card or feedback form. I'm not sure what it is. There's a little plastic here that's supposed to save the paint, but well, actually it did protect it this time around. Alright, so looking at the front end of this one, I think it's the US version? Maybe, I don't know, it's got these like vents that I'm not seeing here. That's weird. I don't know. Well, anyway, it's supposed to be the second generation Honda Odyssey, so I can't really attest to its accuracy because I don't know which one it is. You see here in this photo, it's got an angled rear glass. This one is not angled at all. So, is this an older generation? Let me do a different search. I'll come back. Alright, so this must be modeled after the first generation Honda Odyssey that was around 1994 to 1999. Just based off the grille and the side windows. Alright, there you go. Let's see, this thing was powered by a 2.2 up to a 3-liter engine, either inline 4 or a V6. See, the windows here are matching better now. And then the rear, we got the taillights of the similar shape as well. Alright, so that's all I'm going to talk about the car, because honestly I don't really love this car so much. What's interesting is I've never seen these wheels before. I don't know why Choro-Q would put the wheels like this on the minivan, but I'm going to swap them out to something else. These are unique, but I just don't think they belong on this vehicle. Alright, so there's no silver printing, but the H badge is supposed to be there. Black windows. That looks like it might be painted, but it could be the same smoked glass that's there. Naturally, a black paint in here would be nice, but it's not there. The roof does have these rails. I don't think they're painted. This whole body is like a metallic pearl white, so that's interesting. Okay, the back, it does have the silver there, and it's number 31 in the series. And I don't know if this is black paint or not. No, it is not. So, going to the bottom. Yeah, 1. Standard construction. It's a smoked body. It's just painted white. Okay, so the headlights, I think they actually are clear. Yeah, you can see my finger there, so it's weird that from the outside it just looks all black, but they're clearly translucent. Alright, so I'm going to open this guy up. Well, I'll just show you the inside, but I'll cut away and with some wheels on afterwards. Let's see what this guy looks like here. So, there's your clear body, just painted white. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, well, I added a little black paint to those vents, and then I have some Hot Wheels Real Riders, but I actually painted these. They were originally black and red, and I shot some color shift blue or purple over them. So I figure with the white body it's a good contrast, have a little bit of red like a Type R kind of thing. Well, anyways, that was the intention. So I don't really collect too many minivans. All I have really is this Toyota Town Ace to show today. That's by TLV. And then I have this Honda Life Diva, which is by Toyota. But that's actually a K-Class car. It would be much smaller in real life. But I just thought I'd throw it up there anyways, because it's a Honda. So, looking at some Choro-Qs now. Let's see what we have. We actually have another Honda Odyssey, but it's a newer generation. I think this one is from like 2004. At least that's what it says on the bottom. And that one has some 3D printed spoon wheels on it. I got this Honda Edix. There we go. Alright, so yeah, that'll do for the other Choro-Q comparisons. Alright, I guess that's it for today. Well, let me let this guy spin on its own, and since it's red and white, we'll put this R2-D4 up. So it's kind of a random Choro-Q. I'm kind of surprised that Choro-Q would even make this, but they did, and it wasn't very expensive, so that's why I bought it. Alright, well, if you like Hondas, this video is for you, and if not, we'll try again tomorrow. Alright, bye.